Hello all, it's just Pull It Apart Paul. It's been a while in between videos. I picked up a couple of radios yesterday, and along with it, with the purchase, was a small amplifier, a KLB-110DX. The purposes of today is we're bringing this back to life. We're actually at the end of it. Alright, so this was, all the switches were pretty much seized. I've replaced this power level switch. It was not working. As you can see, it's now working. It's also lifting power from high to low. I added a meter lamp to the rear, which these didn't come with them. So that's a nice option now. Now inside, this is just a single 2290 Toshiba. Adjustment points are here and here. The meter alignment is here. I've returned all the coils back to their factory levels. This was only putting out about 20 watts when I've got it. So if we look at AM, I'll just do a short carrier and go over to the, so around 50 watts AM. With a 4 watt input. Yep, this has a selection of 4 or 10 watts. The GE is on about 3.5, so it's 3.5 watts, gets me about 50 watts out. This is ideally aligned for 10 meters, but I'm on 11 at the moment. So if we've got it in high, we go to SSB and we find a clear frequency. There we go, there's nothing there. Channel 39. We get the tone oscillator. There we go, full deflection. 110 watts. On about 13 watts input. This has a nice preamp. If we go back to 35, it's on now. Alright. Okay, so I'll just button it back up and show you what it looks like with its covers back on. Alright, so cleaned all the fins. There was a couple of bent fins along here. I've still got to fix this. But this was bent right in here, damaged the second low. These are actually quite robust heat sinks. They're hard to bend back. All right, so there's a little small amp and quite a nice little pickup. Bit of TLC and the thing's working 100% now. Very happy with that. And it's a nice little 110 watts out PEP, and it's working 100%. Right, so that's your lot today. That goes, I'm keeping this time. The last one was the KLB-200, which was a monster of a little amp. It was, for me it was. After I did the 100 amp relay inside, did a few other things, the amplifier was doing just over 310 watts or something. There's many videos of it in the past. This would have made a nice partner for it. But that also was an amp that I picked up and it wasn't working. I sorted it out, mostly dry joints, broken switches along the panel here, which is quite common. A lot of them get thrown away because they don't work. All right, that's your lot. Thank you very much. I also picked up a realistic, which I'll do a video on as well, which also has had some work done to it, and it's also working. Thank you very much. Comment, like and subscribe.